Hello everyone, hope you all understood. In previous class we have discussed polynomials, equation, nth degree polynomial, types of polynomials with respect to degrees, types of polynomials with respect to terms. Now let us start general forms of the sum polynomials. General forms of the sum polynomials. General form of the linear polynomial in one variable. General form of the linear polynomial. First one, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial in one variable. General form is ax plus b. If a not equal to 0. If a not equal to 0. Linear polynomial one variable. Next, linear polynomial in two variables. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial in two variables. General form ax plus by plus c. If a square plus b square not equal to 0. Linear polynomial in two variables. In two variables. Two variables. Next, third one is quadratic polynomial. The general form of the quadratic polynomial. The general form of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c if a not equal to 0. If a not equal to 0. Next, fourth one, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial general form. The general form of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d if a not equal to 0. Linear polynomial general form. Linear polynomial is the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Its general form is ax plus b. Next, linear polynomial in two variables is ax plus by plus c, where ax square plus b square not equal to 0. Next, quadratic polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. The general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Next, the general form of the cubic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. Its general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay. Next, let us consider p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. To find the value of p of x, to find the value of p of x, if x equal to 1 and if x equal to minus 1. If x equal to 1, solution p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Substitute x replaced by 1. If x equal to 1, p of 1 equal to 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 4. That equal to 1 plus 5 1 square value 1 plus 5 1 5 plus 4, that equal to 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. P of 1 value equal to 10. If x equal to minus 1, p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. If x equal to minus 1, p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4, that equal to negative number power is even, then the answer is positive. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, 5 plus into minus is minus, 5 1 ja 5 plus 4, that equal to 5 minus 5, 4 plus 1 is the 5, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. P of minus 1 equal to 0. If x equal to 1, P of 1 equal to 10. If x equal to minus 1, P of minus 1 equal to 0. Here P of minus 1 equal to 0, minus 1 is called 0 of the polynomial. Minus 1 is called 0 of the polynomial. Here P of minus 1 equal to 0, we can say that minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. In general, a is a real number. In general, a is a real number. Then a is called 0 of the polynomial of P of x if P of a equal to 0. In general, a real number, a is called 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial. A real number a is 0 of the polynomial P of x if P of a equal to 0. Important statement. A real number a is 0 of the polynomial of P of x if P of a equal to 0. A is called 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. Let us see one example. Let us see one example. If P of x equal to x plus 2, find P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 1, P of minus 2. And what are the zeros of polynomial x plus 2. If P of x equal to x plus 2, then find P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 1, P of minus 2, and what are the zeros of polynomial x plus 2. P of x means polynomial in terms of x, polynomial in terms of x. Solution. P of x equal to x plus 2. First, if x equal to 1, P of 1 equal to 1 plus 2, that equal to 3. P of 1 value is, the value of P of 1 equal to 3. Next, if x equal to 2, P of 2 equal to 2 plus 2, that equal to 4. P of 2 equal to 4. The value of P of 2 equal to 4. Next, if x equal to minus 1, P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 2, that equal to minus 1 plus 2 is 1. P of minus 1, the value of P of minus 1 equal to 1. If x equal to minus 2, P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2, that equal to 0. P of minus 2 equal to 0. Here P of 1 equal to 3, P of 2 equal to 4, P of minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, P1 comma 2 comma minus 1 are not zeros of the given polynomial, not zeros of the given polynomial, given polynomial. Has p of minus 2 equal to 0, then minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Given polynomial. Next, another model to find zeros of first one 3x minus 2 and second one ax plus b. To find the zeros of given polynomials, one is the 3x minus 2 ax plus b, given polynomials. Given polynomials. First one, let given polynomial p of x equal to 3x minus 2. Let p of x equal to 3x minus 2. To find the zeros, p of x equal to 0, given polynomial equal to 0. P of x equal to 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x equal to 2, then x equal to 2 by 3. X equal to 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is 0 of the given polynomial. Therefore, 2 by 3 is 0 of the given polynomial. To verify given polynomial is 3x minus 2, that equal to 3 into, here x value is the 2 by 3, 3 into 2 by 3 minus 2, here 3 cancel, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. P of 2 by 3 equal to 0, then the 2 by 3 is called 0 of the given polynomial. Next, find the 0 of the polynomial of ax plus b. Let p of x equal to ax plus b. To find the zeros, p of x equal to 0, then ax plus b equal to 0, ax equal to minus b, then x equal to minus b by a. Therefore, minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial. Nomial ax plus b. Okay. To verify ax plus b equal to a into, here x value is minus b by a plus b. A cancel, minus b plus b, that equal to 0. Therefore, minus b by a is the 0 of the ax plus b, 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. Similarly, 0 of the polynomial of x, to find the zeros, given polynomial is equal to 0, then x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial of x. 0 of the polynomial of x minus a. To find the zeros of the polynomial, given polynomial equal to 0, then x equal to a, x equal to a is the 0 of the polynomial of x minus a. Next, ax minus b, 0 of the polynomial of ax minus b. Ax minus b, to find the zeros of ax minus b, ax minus b equal to 0, ax equal to b, then x equal to b by a. Next, to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Find the zeros of x square plus 7x plus 12. Find the zeros of x square plus 7x plus 12. Solution. First, x square plus 7x plus 12. Let p of x equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. To find the zeros, given polynomial equal to 0, to find zeros, p of x equal to 0. P of x equal to x square plus 7x plus 12, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Next, here x square coefficient is 1, constant term is 12. X square coefficient is 1, constant term equal to 12, 1 12 are 12. Now, 7x can be written as the sum of two terms such that 7x can be written as sum of two terms such that the product of their coefficients equal to 12. 7x can be written as the sum of two terms such that their coefficients product equal to 12. Now, x square plus 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. X is a common in these two terms. Taking x is common, x into 3 plus 4 is the common in last two terms. Taking 4 is a common, then x plus 3. Next, x plus 3 is common in two terms. Taking x plus 3 in the common these two terms, x plus 3 into x plus 4 equal to 0. So, x plus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 4. Therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial, the zeros of the given polynomial is 3, minus 3 and minus 4. First, to find the zeros, given polynomial is equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 1, constant term is 12. 7x can be written as the sum of two terms such that the product of their coefficients equal to 12. Now, x square plus 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x plus 12. X is the common in first two terms. Taking x common in first two terms, x plus 3. Next, 4 is the common in next two terms. Taking 4 common in next two terms, 4 into x plus 3. So, x plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial is minus 3 and minus 4. Next, to find the zeros of first one, x square minus 1 and second one, x square minus 3. Solution. Let p of x equal to x square minus 1. To find the zeros, given polynomial equal to 0, p of x equal to 0, p of x value equal to x square minus 1, x square minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 1, x square equal to minus 1 equal to x square equal to 1, then x equal to plus or minus square root of 1, then x equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial, are 1 and minus 1. Next, x square minus 3. To find the let p of x equal to x minus 3. To find the zeros, p of x equal to 0, x square minus 3 equal to 0, x square equal to 3, taking square root on both sides, then x equal to plus or minus root 3. Therefore, the zeros of given polynomial root 3 and minus root 3. Root 3 and minus root 3. Next, let us take another model. Verify 1 and 2 are zeros of. Verify 1 and 2 are the zeros of x square minus 3x plus 2. Verify 1 and 2 are the zeros of x square minus 3x plus 2. Solution. Let p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. If x equal to 1, p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. P of 1 equal to 0. Next, if x equal to 2, p of 2 equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, then p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square equal to 4 minus 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. P of 2 equal to 0. Has P of 1 equal to 0 and P of 2 equal to 0. Therefore, 1 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Zeros of given polynomial. Next, let us take another model. If 3 is the zero of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, x square plus 2x minus a, then find a. If 3 is the 0 of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, then find a. Solution. Let p of x equal to x square plus 2x minus a. If 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial, we know that p of 3 equal to 0. 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial, we know that p of 3 equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 3 in this polynomial, p of 3 equal to value 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus a equal to 0. Here 3 square value is the 9 plus 2 3s are 6 minus a equal to 0. 9 plus 6 15 minus a equal to 0. So a equal to 15. Given 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, we know that p of 3 equal to 0. Substituting x equal to 3 in this polynomial, then a equal to 15. Next, last one, if 1 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial, p of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. 0 and 1 are the zeros of p of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Then find a and b. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, then find a and b. Solution. P of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Given 0 is the one of the 0 of the given polynomial. If 0 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x, we know that p of 0 equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0 in this polynomial. 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b equal to 0. 0 into something 0 minus 3 into 0 is the 0 plus a into 0 is the 0 plus b equal to 0. Therefore, b equal to 0. Next, if 1 is the 0 of the p of x, we know that p of 1 equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 1 in this polynomial. 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. 2 into 1 cube value is 1, 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 square value is the 1 plus a ones a plus here b equal to 0. Substitute b equal to 0 in this place, that equal to 0. b equal to 0. 2 1 are 2 minus 3 plus a equal to 0. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1 plus a equal to 0, then a equal to 1. Okay, hope you all understood. Once revise